In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Shopify automations. If you're new to Shopify or just looking to enhance your store's efficiency, you're in the right place. Shopify automations can greatly simplify the management of your online store, allowing you to focus on what matters most, growing your business. To get started, let's talk about an app called Flow, which is an incredibly useful tool for automating various functions within your Shopify store. It can save you time by handling routine tasks that you manually do, thus streamlining your operations. So, where do you begin? The simplest way is to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click on the section labeled Marketing. Once you're there, select Automations. When you arrive at the Automations section, your next step is to click on View Templates. This is a treasure trove of pre-made automation templates that you can use. These templates cover a wide array of common tasks and functionalities for your Shopify store. One of the most popular automations, for instance, is setting up automatic emails for your customers. This template could be an invaluable tool for maintaining engagement and building customer relationships through personalized messages. When you select an automation template, you will see detailed information about how it works. An important aspect to notice is that each automation template will list any required apps you need to have installed. It's essential to ensure these are ready so that your automation can run smoothly without any hiccups. After you've browsed through the templates and selected one that suits your store's needs, you'll be given the option to customize it further. This is where you can really tailor the automation to fit your unique business processes. Tweaking the template could involve setting specific triggers or actions that align with your promotional strategies, customer interactions, or inventory management. Once you've finalized the setup, all that's left to do is to select the template and activate it. And just like that, you've successfully implemented an automation within your Shopify store, right from your dashboard, with just a few clicks. This is truly the beauty of using Shopify automations. It enables you to set up processes that will continue to work for you in the background, giving you more freedom to concentrate on other vital aspects of running your business. By implementing these tools, you gain efficiency, enhance customer satisfaction, and potentially increase your profitability. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped demystify the process of using Shopify automations. Don't forget to explore more options in your dashboard to see what else can be managed more smoothly through automation. Good luck with your Shopify journey.